Watch this video if you have this common problem on your car. So if you're getting a constant rotational ticking sound while going down the road, your issue might be with your brake pads. But if you've recently replaced your brake pads, say within 2 years, your issue could just be dirty brake pads. So a brake service would fix that issue. So all you have to do is mostly take off the inner pad and clean out the groove that's in the middle. Most of the time, it starts accumulating a lot of brake dust and creates a high ridge in the middle. And that's where you hear that constant noise. Now what I like to do to clean these quickly is I take a drywall knife, or you could take like a flathead screwdriver or anything sharp and just go in there and clean out this groove here. But obviously take a look at your brake pads, and if they're really thin, then they're probably due. The constant ticking rotational noise is probably coming from the screamer.